Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this Salesforce Agentforce series, today we are going to learn about Agentforce Vibes for developers in Salesforce. So first we need to understand what is the Agentforce Vibes. So we have seen in the Agentforce for developer video, we can enable an AI agent in the VS Code or other any IDE to help the developers to write the SQL queries, create Apex classes, triggers and the LWC component. So the AI agent helps to developer to create those things. But after creating these components, the Agentforce for developer, that agent was not able to create file those created components. For that what we need to do? We was needed to copy that response and then we was pasting that response in our files. So here the Agentforce Vibes is an updated version of the Agentforce for developer. So now in this video we will be understand what is this Agentforce Vibe, after that how we can set up it, and also the video link the Agentforce for developers I have given in the description box. You can go through it so that you will be get more idea about this Agentforce Vibes and which things updated in this product. So for that watch this video till the end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so whenever you post a new video you will get an update. Let me navigate to the documentation which Salesforce has been provided. As I scroll down, here you can see the Agentforce Vibes, Salesforce new enterprise vibe coding offering, speed development, automate work and ensure the quality and scalable apps. Now as I scroll down, the Agentforce Vibes has capability of context aware plan mode that understand your Salesforce scheme. That means whenever we give the prompt to the agent, this agent will understand the context about the prompt that we have given according to our Salesforce schemas. After that it has agentic code generation, which is Apex, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and more. That means this agent can generate the code for the Apex, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and more programming languages. After that here we have Model Context Protocol, which is MCP. It support 20 plus include MCP tools. Now we need to understand what is meant by MCP. So here an MCP server or the Model Context Protocol server is lightweight service that allows AI models to securely access external tools, data and the functionality throughout the standardized protocol. That means these MCP tools allows the AI model to access the information from the external servers, external tools, data and the functionality such as JavaScript, Apex, then the Java. So from that this MCP tools allows to this AI agent to access the data. After that it acts as a bridge, translating the request from the AI model into action on the external systems like database or the APIs and returning the result. Then this enables the AI agent to perform the action beyond their initial programming, such as sending emails, updating documents or fetching real-time data. So this Agentforce Vibe support 20 plus include MCP tools. After that here we have the checkpoint tool to roll back changes. Then here we have that means it has access to Salesforce DX and you can also add more MCP from the marketplace checkpoints to roll back the changes. That means this Agentforce Vibes can generate the files. Sometimes if you want to go back in the previous version, you can do that with the help of this checkpoint agent tool to tailor a genetic development test, case generation and more. After that here we have natural language, DevOps and app development. So using this Agentforce Vibes, we can use natural language DevOps and also we can do the app development. Now very important aspect is, here you can see, it has built-in guardrails that enforce high standard for the resilience, security and then compliances. Also because of the trust layer to ensure that security, privacy and then accuracy of outputs. So that means all the output and the input going through the Einstein trust layer. After that Salesforce sandboxes that allows Agentforce Vibe to build and test isolated development environment from each your sandbox or the development, or you can work with the Agentforce Vibe. Now let's navigate to the Agentforce Vibe in the VS Code. So in previous session, as we click on this Agentforce, here you can see, here we was getting only Agentforce. Now as I click on it, this time here you can see we are getting the Agentforce Vibes. Let me close this one. And here if you are not able to see this Agentforce Vibe, then make sure your CLI version is updated. So to update the CLI version, what you need to do? Go to this terminal and here you need to provide the SF update. And then after updating the CLI, you will see Agentforce Vibes option available over here. And also as I navigate to the extensions, if you have installed this Agentforce Vibes, then only you can access this Agentforce Vibe in your VS Code. So here you need to install this. As I click on it, here you can see I have already installed. So here if you have installed the Agentforce for developers, that naming convention only replaced by this Agentforce Vibe. If you have installed the Agentforce for developers, then you don't need to install this one again, because as you navigate to the Agentforce Vibe, you will see it has been already installed. So now as I open this Agentforce Vibe, then here you can see here we have option enable MCP servers. As I click on it, so first we need to enable this. For that, let me enable this one. Now here you can see after enabling, here we have the by default Salesforce DX MCP server has been successfully installed. Now as I click on the settings, here you will see the installed MCP servers. Now most importantly, in the term of deploying component to the all of it can do. So here this Salesforce DX MCP server able to perform different activities in Salesforce. Most importantly, in terms of deploying component to the Salesforce org, all of it can do. And then you can add more MCP server as well from the marketplace. So here as I click on this marketplace, here you can see here we have the different types of MCP servers. For example, if I need Jira, like I want this agent to have the access to Jira, so that I just give it a ticket number. Now as I navigate to the Salesforce org, then navigate to the setup. Now in the quick find, as I search for the Agentforce for developer, here you can see we are not getting that option. Instead, as I remove this one, here you can see under the development we are getting the Agentforce Vibes extension. As I click on it, here you can see if you don't want to add this Agentforce Vibe extension to your VS Code or any other IDE, you just need to disable this one. But by any chance, if you have disabled it and you are trying to add the Agentforce Vibes to your VS Code or other any IDE, first you need to disable this one, as since here you can see by default it is disabled. If you enable this one, then you are not able to add the Agentforce Vibes to your VS Code. So now since we have this Salesforce DX component or the MCP server has been installed in our system, in our VS Code, in the upcoming session we will be understand how we can build the component using this Salesforce DX MCP server. I hope whatever I have explained you understood that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. And don't forget to watch our Salesforce Agentforce playlist. In that you will be get more insight about the Agentforce. So thank you for watching. Let's meet again in next video.